Alright, so this is what I've been putting in my Pathfinder. Marvel Mystery Oil. I'm not endorsing it, I'm using it, and I found that it actually works really well. And this is after the events back in January, February, earlier this year, when I needed to put in, I took it to a shop where there was this loud banging noise coming from the engine. No more noise, but this is one of those things where this is after the fact, and I had started having other problems with reduced power, hesitation, lagging, and the performance of the vehicle. So I started using this, and it actually works really well. Got two different funnels. One goes for the gas tank. One goes for the oil. Need the short snout funnel for the oil. There's not as much room in there as there used to be, like in the older vehicles. So that's an update with this. I'll show you something in just a minute.